In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, your honorable my teacher. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Wa bihi nasta'in wa ala umuri dunya waddin. Wassalatu wassalamu ala asrafil anbiya wal mursalin wa ala alihi washabihi ajmain. Okay, in here we will presentation about installation and configuration FTP in Ubuntu. And my name is Fauzan Nugroho.
My name is Jefaro Ahmad Djilhamsah.
Okay. I want to explain about FTP. FTP is an internet service that is designed to make connection to certain internet server or computer, so that user can download or upload a file to the server, and the internet protocol that runs in one application layer that function to exchange data between clients and server in one network.
They are another type of control protocol that can be implemented in our server. The first one is SFTP, or known as Secure File Transfer Protocol. It's same as FTP and has another layer of security implement in that. And another one is TFTP, or known as Trivial File Transfer Protocol. It has a minimum FTP, but the capability to transfer file is less than FTP, and it is don't have another security. There are two ways to connect to SFTP server. The first one using the SFTP client using application, and the second one is using browser. The first one, we will try to use an application known as FileZilla. Uh, in FileZilla, you can fill the host with the IP address of our server. Username is the ID, password, and port for the SFTP is 22. We will try to send our document to our SFTP server. And for another one, for using browser to access SFTP server will be explained with by my friend.
Wanna check with I wanna check with the Chrome. Enter your IP address and the port SSH. Open Win SCP and enter your username. Enter your username is Jefaro. Okay. And password 1 until 5. And I want upload Word packet 1 to documents. Okay, upload file 1. Yes. That is the clear.
After FTP client already upload their data into server, we will check in our server if the data are already saved or not. Um, because the data are already uploaded, this is the end of our presentation. If there are any thanks for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.